Biscuit. This is my dog. And sorry about the music in the background. My sister's watching her show. And we're going to be doing some tricks today, me and Biscuit. One piece of dog food. Speak. Speak. Come on, buddy. Speak. Hey. Speak. Speak. Oh, come on. You can do better than that. Speak. Oh, stop. Speak. There we go. Alright. Let's do another one. Paw. Paw. Good boy. And now, the jump. You fouled. Try again. Good boy. And unfortunately, my sister gave him the last piece of dog food.
But she's going to get more.
She's going to get more, she says. Wait, Biscuit.
Hold on.
What are you looking at, Biscuit? Biscuit! Apparently we've lost a host. And we found him. Alright.
Now, I'm going to do some tricks with him.
Boo! Everyone boo!
Stay. Stay.
Boo!
Stay. 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 Go get it. Good boy. We're going to do a few jumps.
Toss me one down.
Good boy. Good boy. Do a big one. Dang it, Biscuit. Nope.
Yeah.
Good boy. Sit. Okay, now we're going to get ready for the big trick. This is one we just taught him. Lay. Good. No. Lay. Lay. Come on. No.
It's out of his mind. He's just like, what are you trying to do, woman?
Lay. Good boy.
Give me that food.
Good boy.
We're gonna cut that out of the scene.
Good chubby.
Gonna cut that out.
Good chub.
That has been our show.